Fellow Republicans, hello. I'm real glad to be able to talk to you folks today about the coming election. I'm sure we all agree on our candidate,
Mike Pope.
Couldn't have a better one. But now we've got to make sure that he gets elected. Now, you know, elections are funny things. You look at the total vote, it doesn't mean much. But when you take all of the individual people that it takes to make up that vote, it comes home to you. It's like that bay out there. It's a pretty big body of water, but it's just a lot of drops put together. And that's what an election is. So besides voting ourselves, if each one of us will see to it that the whole Republican vote gets to the polls, we can win. On the last several elections, we Republicans have made a pretty good showing by doing just that. Well, there you have it. Now it's up to us. If you'll sign up for the Victory Squad on one of these cards, you'll be contacted for what I hope is an exciting and rewarding job. So put your name down now and help make our candidate,
Mike Pope, the next congressman for the Oklahoma State House of Representatives for Cherokee County.